Hi, welcome back to the farm. And we're working on that Ford 640 that has the bad clutch in it now because of all the oil leaking out of the rear main seal. And we're getting ready to split it apart here. Got the hydraulic pump off here, and hydraulic fluid draining. Had to take that off in order to get the oil line off. And we got a lot of the bolts and linkages disconnected so we can roll it apart here. We got the axle rod, radius rod, and the steering linkage all off. And we're getting ready to put some jack stands under the engine here on each side, probably right about here. Maybe we'll put some wedges underneath the axle on each side to keep it from tipping even more. And then we can put a board down here with a jack, roller jack, and roll the back half of the tractor back. And we'll see how bad it really is in it. Well, now we have the tractor split there. We can get a better look at this clutch and the rear seal. And you see that this clutch is a little, it's missing all the clutch material on it. You can see here, it's all in the inside of the bell housing. Yeah, because it got oily there and disintegrated it. Yeah. So now we're going to take this clutch off and the flywheel there and see how bad the seal is. And here's the clutch and pressure plate off it. And right down to the rivets right now. Just lovely. I don't feel a lot of any ridges in here or anything. I think we can just clean this flywheel up and put a new that bearing is gone. You hear that? And then probably that bearing needs to be replaced. I see the fingers that push against that. They need to be replaced. They're worn down to almost nothing. And so next we'll pop this off. Well, we just took the flywheel off and the back plate for the engine. And there's a lot of oil in behind that plate there. So that seal is definitely shot. Maybe even the side seals here on either side of the that too. So I ordered up a clutch kit for this, 9-inch clutch kit. And I ordered up the rear main seal. I went with a Fel-Pro BS 6141-3. That's the correct one for it. Gives you the side seals and the upper and the lower crank seal. So when those come in, I'll make another video there and we'll get those all installed. One thing I had to do is right about here on the backing plate is the timing hole, and I had to line up the timing mark on the flywheel with the hole, and to make sure that that doesn't get out of whack. or if it does get out of whack, I can just put it up on number 1 and line it up. So we'll finish this up in part 2. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.